Hi, my name is Fran, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build an email list profitably without using expensive software like ClickFunnels or any software like this. In fact, I'm going to demonstrate how to do this using only an autoresponder like GetResponse. So first I'm going to tell you the 3 simple steps to start capturing your audience's email addresses and grow your list like crazy. And then I'm going to share with you 2 simple tweaks that you can apply right now to your lead capture system, even if you don't have one yet, to start earning from your new subscribers. So before we start, I'd like to ask you a question. Do you have a lead capture system already? Are you getting email addresses? Are you building an email list already? Or are you just starting out? And if you are, is your list profitable? Leave me a comment below and let me know. Alright, so let's get into the 3 steps. So step 1 is to create or find a lead magnet to start capturing those email addresses. It's not as complicated as people make it sound. Yes, you can create a PDF, a guide, a checklist. Actually, most of the times, the simple lead magnets are the ones who convert the best. And I'm going to show you some examples that you'll see how simple, how easy this can be. Right, so with my first blog, after spending months creating lead magnets, in one day I created one that was so simple, and I'm going to show you now. So I had an article talking about how I showered with my daughter, a simple method to shower with a baby. And the article went viral on Pinterest. I thought to myself, what can I give these people that are reading this article just to go one step further to help them a little bit more? And this is what you need to focus. How can I help them just a little bit more? And it doesn't need to be like a huge jump. So I decided to record myself showering with my daughter, the exact same method but in video format, and put it behind the lead capture system. So here it is. I did a very amateur video. I didn't know anything about video at the time, and this was the result. I did just this simple capture page. When the person wants to watch the video, they have to introduce their name and their email address. And just on the next page, they get received by the video, of course, which plays automatically. Alright, so before I tell you any more about this page, let me show you another example of a lead magnet. This is the usual lead magnet that you see. So this is an example I created for a GetResponse tutorial. It's not a working landing page, but it worked as an example. It was supposed to be a free PDF. So in this case, for example, all I'm giving away here is my email welcome sequence, the one I'm already using, as a template. Instead of using my name and all the things I say, I just replace the words with to create a template to explain people how they can just copy and paste it for themselves and just introduce the details there. This is a very good welcome system, welcome email sequence that starts to engage the subscribers. So you don't just capture emails, you need to start engaging with them. If you want to find this guide, just find a link in the description below and you'll be able to download it. It's not a lot of work. All I did to create this guide, I mean, this is not the actual landing page, but it's similar. All I did to create this guide was I grabbed my already working emails and I put them in a Word document, and I converted to PDF with some explanation of why each email works. I mean, it's not a complicated lead magnet. But still, you don't need to do this. You don't need to record a video of yourself. You don't need to do anything. Let me show you how I leverage the same exact video method, and I use this all the time to promote affiliate offers. You can get, this is where you can start getting paid and start building your email list profitably without even having a lead magnet. And I didn't create anything, I didn't record anything, I didn't use anything. So let's see what I did here. This is an offer I found on ClickBank, and this method works for most offers you'll find on networks like ClickBank or Warrior Plus or anything like this. All you have to do is find an offer that has a VSL, a video sales message, and I have a video that demonstrates how to build this page exactly step by step. I show it over my shoulder how I build the page, so you can do it yourself if you need to, and how I find the offer. So you can find that video somewhere around this, in this card for that video. Just click on it or somewhere around this video. All this bridge page does is I grab the screenshot of that video and Once the person lands on this page, I use the copy from all this copy is taken already from the existing offer. All I do is build this page, and when the person wants to watch the video, they are asked for their email address. This is not my video. This is the video of the merchant already selling on ClickBank, and they are asking for affiliates. So as an affiliate, I grabbed a screenshot of that video, I placed it on my page, and on my page, I ask for the email address. Once they put their email address and click start watching the video, they go to the product page, and that's where the merchant will sell them something. So that's how I earn the commission, and that's how I capture their email addresses and start building an email list without even having a lead magnet. All right, so that's step one of building an email list profitably. Step two is actually creating a landing page for this, which I've showed you already. Again, if you wanna see how I create this landing page, this bridge page that captures email addresses and leads the person to an affiliate offer, I'll leave a link for that video somewhere around in this video, around here or something. So just make sure you click there and go watch how I do that, and you can copy it and do the exact same process for yourself. I will also leave a link to one-click download this landing page, this bridge page I use, and I demonstrate in the description below if you want to download it. If you have ClickFunnels, you can just immediately download it. If you don't have ClickFunnels, it will ask you to create a free trial, a 14-day free trial. So if you want to do that, do it. Try it for 14 days if you want to. If not, then you can always build something like this in GetResponse. And I also have a landing page tutorial for GetResponse where you can just follow along and try to build something like this in GetResponse. It's really easy. Now, like I said, step two, build a landing page. And remember, all you need to apply this and start building your list is an autoresponder like GetResponse. Not all of them allow you to build a landing page and to work on the thank you page, which is the most important thing. I'm going to talk about that at the end of this video, so stick with me. And now let's jump to step three. Step three is to create call to actions in your content. So let's say you have an article, just create a call to action, put a button there and say, hey, if you want to watch the scientifically proven solution that gets your baby to sleep like clockwork, click here. And then when they click there, you will link them to your landing page, to your bridge page. And once they land on your bridge page, again, to watch the video, they will be asked for the email address. Remember, in your content, you always link to your landing page. In the landing page, you capture the email address and you send them to your affiliate offer. Now, I talked about 2 tweaks that you can start applying right now. And this is, I've already hinted to it, but I'm going to show you exactly what it is. Most people, when they capture an email address and they offer a lead magnet, something like this, for example, or even like this is another example I showed in one of my tutorials. And let's say they want this course, this baby sleep course. They put their email, they put their address, they put their name, their email, and then what do I say? Hey, thank you for coming, and go get your course in your email or in your inbox. Or actually, in the case of a PDF, I could say, hey, thank you, download it right here in the thank you page. There are autoresponders or email marketing softwares that don't allow you to edit the thank you page, but for this, you need to find one where you can edit the thank you page. GetResponse, again, is a great one. They give you a 30-day free trial where you don't need a credit card or anything. You can use it for free and then not use it anymore if you didn't like it, or just start paying after 30 days. But the most important thing is that you find one that has a thank you page, that you can edit the thank you page. And I'm going to show you why now. So now, instead of saying thank you and see you next time or see you in the inbox or something, you just say thank you, check your inbox, but this is just an example I created. You might also be interested in, and I'll give them some pictures of cribs. I mean, they want a baby sleep course. Why not a crib? In this case, it's a baby sleep course for loving parents. I talk about co-sleeping and stuff. We could offer a co-sleeping crib, which exists. And I'll put some pictures here and the button with a link to Amazon affiliates. If you don't know what else to offer, Amazon is always a good solution. And there's one good thing about Amazon. Once people follow your link and they jump into Amazon for 24 hours, whatever they buy on Amazon, it's your referral. And so it's your commission. Now, here I did the same thing. they introduce, and then on the thank you page I can tell them, hey, look, there's a free training you can follow here. This training will lead to a get response account, which they will become my referral, and if they start paying for the account, it will be my referral, my commission. So let me show you the example of the shower here. So they introduce their email. The trick here, just watch my video with the bridge page video so you can see exactly how I do this. This is a very simple method, but there's a couple of very important things that you really need to get them right. I mean, if you're an expert at building bridge pages, then you probably don't need to watch that training. Now, you introduce your email here and you get to this page where you start watching the video. Fine. But after watching the video, I tell you about, this is a video of me showering with my daughter, and then I tell you about some products for washing baby skins naturally without any chemicals. Why not? And this is again, this is a link to an affiliate product, which is, if I click here, I'm going to show you. As you can see, this is an $80 pack with baby products, like all natural baby products, which relate, bath products, which relate to what I was offering here for free. So as you can see, your lead magnet doesn't need to be very complicated. Your landing page doesn't need to be very complicated at all. In fact, the best landing pages, the best email capture pages are the simplest ones. All you need to do is to be able to transmit the value with the headline. And if you're going to add this to your content, then within the content, you add the call to actions in the right places. You tell them, hey, this is how I shower with my baby, and if you want to see me doing this in a video, here it is. All right, so if you want to use this method for ClickBank, you'll be, and you don't want to add it to your content, or you don't have any content yet, you can still pay for traffic, use this method, and you'll get paid with commissions at the back, in the back end. So you will be getting paid at the same time you're paying for traffic. I've spent thousands of dollars in getting email addresses without doing this, and I didn't get paid for them, and I was only trying to get the sales with the emails. I was trying to sell to the people with emails. All right, so tweak number 2 is to create a welcome message, a welcome series of emails, which usually is around 5 emails, depending on the price of the product, that will continue to sell the same product you offered on the thank you page. And at the same time, present yourself and engage with the audience. Tell them a story about yourself, how this product helped you. So if you read .com Secrets, you will find a chapter there where Russell Brunson talks about the soap opera sequence. Soap opera sequence is a sequence of 5 emails that Russell leveraged from another guy, but then he created his own way of doing this. In 5 emails, not only he engages with the audience, telling them a story, he keeps them very engaged, but he attaches this to the sale of a product. So I highly recommend you grab this book, find the link in the description, grab this book and just copy and paste these emails. With 5 emails, you will see how much more sales you can get. So you'll have 2 systems creating your profitability on while acquiring the email list. 1, you will be with your thank you page will lead them to a product, and 2, you'll have a sequence of 5 emails which acts as a welcome sequence and then still continues to sell the same product to them. All right, so that's it. To recap, 3 steps to capture your email addresses. Step 1, offer a lead magnet or find an existing one. A lead magnet can be as simple as just offering the right offer at the right time. Step 2, create or build a landing page or a bridge page. Step 3, introduce CTAs, calls to action, in your content that lead to that landing page. And now, the 2 tweaks you need to start using to not only capture emails but start earning from them, or start to capture emails profitably, are: tweak 1, optimize your thank you page, and put an affiliate link that you send people to an affiliate product. This product should be helpful to your audience, should be a continuation of what you just gave them for free. And tweak number 2, create a welcome sequence, a soap opera sequence with 5 emails at least that continue to sell to this audience. Then later on you can create more emails and you can sell more to them. Just remember, you are not here only to sell or to earn. You are here to help your audience. If you help them by offering the right product, you will earn your commissions. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to turn your content into a passive income machine. If you found this video helpful, if you liked it, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want any other trainings that you want me to do, you cannot find them on this channel, please leave a comment below. Tell me what you'd like me to talk about and what you would like me to teach, and I will try to make that video for you.